What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy. If you guys are new here, go down, hit the subscribe button, help us hit 2,000 subscribers. I upload every Tuesday, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of not only of my progression of my GT500 Supercharger swap 3.7 V6 Mustang, but also how my hair progressively comes back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I also was gonna have long tubes and a fuel pump in this video, but I'm still waiting on parts for the long tubes, so that kind of sucks. So they'll be on here eventually whenever the parts come in. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Roddy's Rides, out of here. Welcome to Roddy's Rides. I'm your host, Roddy. This is my 2014 Mustang, and this is my M122 Supercharger that I will be installing on a V6. Yes, you did hear me correctly. We taped this up so nothing falls down during install, just normal, I guess, protocol for doing this. So
that's what you don't do.
Oh no!
Take the phone out. Oh, what are we on? Oh wow. Alright, well I wasn't expecting.
What are you doing?
Huh?
You need this clips?
Yeah. This is what holds the injector. That's my camera guy. This is why Sean is here to help. Oh.
It's gotta come off.
What?
We didn't pull the paper towels out of the intake.
God.
Ear right here, it's kind of hard to see. We're going to start shaving that down
Because it was rubbing up against this spacer that you can't really see since I'm far away. So this is the finalized piece. We're gonna put this on, and then that's one less thing that we have on the to-do list. So we actually went and picked up a belt that was an inch smaller. Now we are hopefully good to start. I'm quite nervous. I don't know what to think.
Turn it on.
Try. It's trying. Alright, well, take one, went pretty. Not alright, well that's alright. We'll get it figured out, I guess. All I've done is eaten a granola bar and disconnected the mount. So now we're going to see.
And put the stock tune on.
And put the stock tune on it. So now let's see. That was loud.
It started.
Yeah, that never went over 2,500 RPMs.
Good stuff.
Nice.
Now.
It's learning. Whew. Time to change some spark plugs. That's satisfying. I'm loading up the base map, and hopefully we'll get this car out into the driveway and maybe driving on the streets today. We will see. Tune is now complete. This is going to be the first startup. So we're going to start this and we're going to let it warm up to operating temperature, and then we'll start a 2-minute data log. Well, we'll be back. All right, attempt 2, or you know what I'm saying. Instantly dead. Time to call West. So right now, I'm returning the car back to stock. I don't know if you can see that. It's writing the ECM, yada, yada, yada. That's going back to stock. Over here on my laptop, I got the new tune from the email. Well, I guess Base Map 2.0. It's already saved, ready to go. So now I'm just waiting on the car to get back to stock tune, and then I'm gonna load the new tune, and I'm excited. Hopefully it will start this time. Real quick, all I did was I tightened down my mass airflow sensor, and then what was the other thing I did? I tightened it down, and I tightened my cold air intake and see maybe if that was it. Because either way we're gonna have to go up a hill. Alright, after of course it dies right when you start the camera, but that's okay. The car ran actually really good. Well, it depends on what your definition of good is, but last night I did some digging, and so I ended up buying some new seals for the car, just because these are used parts, and I need to refresh them anyways. I mean, this map airflow sensor, the one thing I realized was looking at this, if you can see that, that's the sensor. I had this whole pipe flipped around. I had the fin, or the back part where I don't think the sensor was facing the cold air intake. So I think this is the correct way. I'm gonna throw this all together real quick. All right, so I got the whole car put back together, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this solves all my issues and this just lets it run. Okay, so I kind of did a bad job at filming this, but I was low-key kind of scared. I ended up going to the stock map, and the car is beautiful. Like, So we ran into a couple issues. So we just here actually show them off the little what we've done so far. Oh, clean little Dremel cut. So our new gasket design that we're gonna have to trim down a little bit. Help us out. We're almost at 400 subs, or 400. We're at 421 last time I checked. Just help us get to 500. What in the hell? There's a damn turkey on the shop. Oh, I got excited.
All right, you want to try that?
All right, yeah, let's do that again. Now that sounds freaking cool. Was that day I was putting the whole kit back together, and when I was putting on the top part of the upper intercooler, they are it's 3 aluminum pieces, 2 on the each side that connect to the coolant to keep the supercharger cool. The other piece is just the main housing. And so I ended up going in and slowly tightening both sides of the inlet and the outlet of the coolant. And you're supposed to go real slow because it's aluminum. If you cross that aluminum, you're screwed. So, hey Igor.
Yeah.
How many miles are on that Honda Fit?
Oh no. Austin, Texas. Oh, takedown! RKO out of nowhere. Oh shit. Whenever that thing started taking off. Holy yeah, this thing rolls out a lot better now. Hey. Way better. So oh yeah.